Hello, let's go over the screen space effects. It's quite a simple material function. Let me just grab a random texture sample, plug it in, and plug that one into the emissive color for now. As you can see, it will require a noise texture. You can use any noise, but I prefer to use a normal map texture for that. And I'm going to make it a texture object. Right click on it, texture object, and plug it in. There we go. As you can see, it doesn't matter what way you look at it, it's always aligned to the camera. And that's already basically the gist of it. Let's go over some of the inputs. I can change the noise strength. At the moment there's no noise strength because the value is 0. You can do negative values, of course, but let's just keep it at positive. This one is at 1, but generally low values are already really good looking. You can already see that there's some motion going on there. Now if I want to change the size of this noise, let me actually change the texture size first. There, and set it to 1. There, and zoom in a little bit more. Let's increase the noise strength just a little, so it's more visible. There we go. If I want to increase or decrease the size of this noise, I can use that with this noise texture size. 1 on 1, it's just a normal size, but let's do 4 and 4. You can see that's tiling the noise quite a bit. Let's do 0.5 and 0.5. There. And I can also change the noise speed. Now the noise isn't moving, only the texture. And you can see the results going right away. And you can also change the speed of the texture. Let me set this one to 0 and 0. There, and make this stop moving as well. That's moving from right to left. Minus is left to right. There we go. And you can play around with it until it gets quite some nice results. As you can see, if I make it a cube, doesn't matter where I look at, it's always screen aligned. And I made quite an intricate example for that. You can already see it here that it's moving along properly. But it kind of looks cool on some effects, something like specific kind of swords or whatever. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. It looks quite cool on these swords. And just think out of the box and see if you can find something cool. Alright, that should be it for this material function. Take care.